Welcome to Drama YT. It's your boy K2 and I am back with another video, and in this video I'm gonna talk about the 15 best Korean movies that you should watch right now. If you have loved Parasite, here are some other fantastic Korean films that you will definitely want to watch. By now you have probably watched or at least heard of Parasite, the Korean film that recently made history with its 4-time win at the 2020 Academic Awards, including a win for Best Picture. But even beyond this highly acclaimed 2019 movie, there is no doubt that Korean cinema has long established itself as a fantastic contender in filmmaking, steadily drawing an expanding global audience with its mainly high-rated flicks that range from stirring dramas films to mind-bending thrillers and action movies. Luckily, if you are looking for more great films to watch after Parasite, I have rounded up some of the best Korean movies you can watch to delve deeper into the truly amazing world of Korean cinema. These remarkable films span a variety of different genres and included more must-watch masterpieces from Parasite director Bong Joon-ho as well as critically acclaimed flicks from other prominent Korean directors. But whether you are in a mood of a rom-com, tear-jerking watch or an exciting thriller that will have you on the edge of your seat, there is plenty on this list for anyone to enjoy, including dramas, comedies, horror films, and yes, even zombie movies. From tales of revenge and love to compelling stories that truly make you think, here is just a sampling of what Korean cinema has to offer. Number 1, Parasite. There is a reason why this black comedy thriller has earned so much international acclaim and has even become the first ever foreign language movie to win Best Picture. With an engrossing and genre blending plot, Parasite captivates with suspenseful storytelling all throughout the film and delivers a truly intriguing take on the powerful themes of class, violence, and social inequality. Number 2, Train to Busan. Another must-watch Korean thriller film, Train to Busan presents a fresh and original take on one of the most classic film genres, zombie apocalypse flick, as it follows a man fighting for survival on a speeding train that's overtaken by a zombie outbreak. Prepare to be on the edge of your seat the entire time while watching this one. Number 3, Burning. Based on the short story Barn Burning by Japanese author Haruki Murakami, this critically acclaimed psychological mystery drama from famous Korean director Lee Chang-dong tells the quietly haunting story of a young man who faces a mysterious secret after his childhood friend returns from a trip, but brings along a man with a strange hobby, played by The Walking Dead's Steven Yeun. Number 4, The Host. If you loved Parasite, The Host is another masterpiece from director Bong Joon-ho that you will definitely need to watch, especially as it also stars Parasite's leading man Song Kang-ho. This thrilling flick presents a truly gripping story, featuring a terrifying sea creature to deliver what's widely considered one of the greatest monster movies till date. Number 5, Extreme Job. What happens when a team of narcotics detectives goes undercover in a fried chicken joint to skate out an organized crime gang? That's exactly the quirky premise of this recent cop comedy hit, which delights audiences with the perfect balance of exciting action together with feel-good comedy. Number 6, Old Boy. Perhaps one of the most well-known Korean films of all time. This dark and visceral vengeance movie from Park Chan-wook, one of Korea's most highly acclaimed directors, follows a man who sets up on a revenge mission after being imprisoned for 15 years. Just a little warning that this one's definitely not for the faint of heart peoples. Number 7, The Handmaiden. Another masterful film from director Park Chan-wook. This erotic psychological thriller film, inspired by the 2002 novel Fingersmith by Sarah Waters, set in 1930s colonial Korea and Japan, the film follows the riveting story of a Japanese heiress and her Korean handmaiden, who is actually involved in an elaborate plot with a conman to seduce the wealthy women for her inheritance. Number 8, A Taxi Driver. Parasite's Song Kang-ho stars in yet another great and critically acclaimed film, this time about a cab driver from Seoul who unintentionally becomes involved in the Gwangju Uprising, a historical event that took place in South Korea in 1980. Plus, it is based on a real-life true story which makes it an even more compelling watch. Number 9, Forgotten. For those who can't resist an intense psychological thriller, Forgotten is a must-watch that follows a young man trying to uncover the truth behind the sudden return of his abducted brother. The film delivers edge of your seat mystery together with suspenseful horror moments and truly some mind bending plot twists that you will never see coming. Number 10, My Sassy Girl. Korean cinema may usually be known for its harrowing thrillers, but this charming rom-com cut film is proof that Korean films have plenty to offer in light-hearted genres too. With a delightful love story about a college student who meets a troublemaking girl, it is just easy to see why this gem became such a widely successful blockbuster hit. Number 11, Poetry. For fans of melancholic and emotionally starring films, Lee Chon-dong's Poetry delivers a story about an elderly woman who takes up a poetry class after being diagnosed with Alzheimer's disease. Family, memory, and mortality are all those themes that this movie explores beautifully, which means you will definitely want to grab a box of tissues for this one. Number 12, Okja. This adventure drama Netflix film about a young girl and her giant mutant pig is another gem from Bong Joon-ho, and even has a star cast that includes American actors like Tilda Swinton and Jake Gyllenhaal, centered around a Korean girl determined to save her beloved pet from being taken away by a powerful corporation. Okja is equal parts a whimsical fable and a dark compelling satire. Number 13, I Saw the Devil. You can't fully explore Korean cinema without delving into their truly fantastic horror films, especially with this highly visceral and shockingly violent horror thriller flick from 2010, which follows a secret agent who sets out to find a psychopathic serial killer after his wife is brutally murdered. You probably won't watch this one at night. Number 14, Secret Sunshine. From the same director who brought The Burning and Poetry on the screen, Secret Sunshine delivers a quickly riveting and heart-wrenching drama about a widowed mother who undergoes a tragedy after moving to a new town. Parasite Song Kang-ho also stars in this tearjerker film, which explores grief, faith, and personal loss. And number 15, Mother. If you still can't get enough of Bong Joon-ho's movies, Mother sees the notable director tackling the murder mystery genre for a fantastic and riveting thriller film about a mother who, after her intellectual disabled son is accused of murder, attempts to track down the real killer in order to clear her son's name. So that was it guys, the video ends here. I really do hope that you're gonna watch all of these movies, and if I have missed any of your movies, as there are so many good movies in Korean cinema and I can't put all of them in my list, so if you have any other Korean movie suggestion, just feel free to comment down below, cause other guys who will watch this video, they will find your comments very useful. So if you have watched the video till here, just give a thumbs up to the video guys, and don't forget to subscribe to Drama YT. And yet you haven't followed me on the Instagram handle, which is also right in front of you. It's called dramayt.k2. Follow me there as well. I will see you later. As always, your K2 love, peace and hugs. It's been a pleasure.
जाते रास्ते में कभी स्कूल के बस्ते पे ढूंढे तो मिल जाए।